Hello students, welcome to the first mock test explanation paper. In this paper, you have got a sample of your question paper, how it will look like. Please go through, concentrate, and then all the very best for your exams. So question number one is based on the choose the correct answer, which is 5 marks, 5 questions. All questions are compulsory. So which language does the CPU understand? CPU will understand mission language, high level language, assembly language, English language. So mission language only will be understood by the CPU. Second one, which type of forecasting is shown by the following example? So whenever you come across this, any bracket, inside the bracket, if they give any data type, it is explicit type conversion. It is explicit type conversion. Okay. The next one is which of the following keyword is used to create the instance of a class. So whenever you want to create the instance of the class, the keyword new is used. So the correct answer is new keyword. And the next one is what is a function with the same name as that of its class called as. So the any function having the same name as that of the class is called as a constructor. So constructor is the right answer. Single line comment statement can be added using. So you just see the slash, how it differs. Okay, so that is the right answer, the slashes. And then this is the second question. Question two is fill in the blanks with the correct option. Again, 5 marks for this. Okay, a Java program developed and executed by the user by using web browser is known as application. So any program developed by the user is called as Java application. So you need to go through the question very, very slowly before the 10 minutes time or 15 minutes time, whatever is given. Please do go through the question and keep your answers in your mind so it will be easy for you to answer. Dash is not an entry control loop. So entry control loop is for loop and the while loop because the condition is checked in the beginning. Whereas exit control loop is do while. So the answer is do while loop, and the size of the int data type is 4 bytes. Okay. The next one is an object is created at the dash time in Java. So in whenever the object is created, it is created during the runtime. It is not during the compilation time or any other time. It is during the runtime. Next one, the keyword is used for accessing the feature of a package. So import is a keyword. Whenever you are going to use the package, you have to use a keyword called as import. Question number three. Name the following again. It is 5 marks. All the 5 questions are compulsory. And here the smallest integer data type is which one? Actually, the smallest integer data type is short. The smallest integer data type is short, not byte. It is short is the answer. The smallest integer data type is short. Okay, not byte. The next one is show the essential features but hiding the background detail is data abstraction. And then please do go through all the 4 principles. Any one question will be asked, and related classes are grouped together and they are called as a package. Okay, group of classes are grouped together and they are put inside a package, so it's called as a package. Okay, name the type of error when the multiplication operator is used is due to the runtime error. During the runtime only, it will show you the error. So it is a runtime error. Keywords are also known as reservoirs in Java. So go through all these definitions. Question number four, say true or false. Again, it's 5 mark question. The scope of a variable is within a class. It is true. So a variable can be used in Java program even if it has not been declared. It is false. It has to be declared. Then only we can use. Java offers 5 types of tokens. True. KILPO. Kilpo. There's keywords. I for integers. Sorry, identifiers. L for literals. P for punctuators. O for operators. Purpose of writing a constructor is to initialize the value of data member. True. And then the constructor is not defined within any return type. That is true. Question number five, choose the odd one out. So they'll be giving some odd one operators, identifiers, punctuators, and constructors. Operator, identifier, punctuators are tokens, and whereas constructor is a member method. Plus, minus, percentage, and shift operators given. Shift operators ordered what? Byte, long, int, and non-primitive is given. Non-primitive because byte, int, and long are primitive data types. Equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to is given. Here the answer is equal to because equal to is assignment. All other three are relational operators. Again, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, and then next one is given odd or not. That is a conditional assignment operator or ternary operator. Question number six. Give the output of the following. It's given incredible plus slash n world. So the answer is incredible slash n is for the next line. World next line. The result here is 17, because whatever comes here will be multiplied. 6 sevens are 42 plus 3, 45 divided by 3 plus 2. 15 plus 2 becomes 17. Next one is again here. Since int is not declared with any other variable, it will take any value assigned in the memory. So it goes to garbage value. So here again, first x into y. So x into y is 5 into 10 is 50 plus z 11 divided by 2. So you get the answer is 15. 5.5 plus 50 is 55.5. Next one is 0, because here first when you multiply 4 into 0, so here x plus is equal to 4, 0, x is equal to x plus 0, that becomes 4. The answer will be 4 here, not 0. The answer will be 4. Please make a note, the answer is 4, not 0. Section B, already we have seen this. So the design a class called as railway ticket. So all these things are given. What should come here? So the first one answer is java.util.scanner. The last one. Second one is railway ticket. The third one. Okay, the third one. So I'll just go with this. For this, the answer is this will be the answer. And here it's given railway ticket, string name, coach, mobile number, amount. All these are the inputs given: name, coach, mobile number, amount, total amount, and the methods are accept, update, and they're given some criteria, and even the we have display and the main method, four methods. So what all things we have to do it here? The answer here is java.util.scanner, and here railway ticket was the name of the class, and private long what? Long is defined as mobile number, and their name, how will you take the input of the name? In dot next line. So that's the answer here. And coming to the next one. So we have to see where the amount is. Second criteria, amount equal to 500 when it is second case. So amount equal to amount plus 500. Next one is coming here, void dash. So when where are the objects created? Object is created in the main, and OB is given as the object name. So here it is OB dot OB. Railway ticket OB is equal to new railway ticket of, and then OB dot everything is given except display. So OB dot display is the answer. Okay, 1 minute. We'll just see OB dot dash is given. Sorry. So the answer will be OB dot only update, not display, because there's a semicolon given, so you should be very very careful. The semicolon is given here, semicolon is given here, semicolon along with the bracket, so only update, it will not come, the second option will not be coming. So be very careful in answering this. The next question, this is how the question goes. Hope you have understood the question. The next one is about the next question, a number is given, pronic number, and how to go about is also given here. And how will you mark? So here, scanner in is equal to new scanner of. So that will be capital letter S. So scanner is n is equal to new scanner of, where scanner is always capital S. Next one, int dash is equal to int dot next int. So we have to check what have we used here. So it is num that we have used. So int num is equal to int dot next. You have to just go through the following wherever the variables are used, everywhere the variable uses num. Okay. So is pronic equal to false? Always boolean only will be true or false. So the answer will be false. Okay. If the next one is here int a dash is equal to, so loop is given for I is equal to 1. If dash, what's given? So already pronic is true or false. So the answer will be is pronic. Okay. So this is how you have to answer the question here. Next one is constructors or special methods in Java. Constructors are associated with the classes. Every class has a least constructor provided. If the user provides any constructor, one of many, the compiler will not provide a built-in constructor. So the role of thumb, if the design of the constructor is important, then the user should design as many as he needs. Otherwise, if other tasks are more important, then you may depend upon the built-in one. Like other methods, constructor can also be overloaded. In overloaded methods, the method name is the same name between methods. Only difference is in the parameter list. Return type is another aspect of a method. This is the value that gets returned from the method when the method of our function is invoked. By the way, constructor do not have any return type, not even void. So this we have already seen. So which of the following is possible? Whether we overloading is possible, yes. Parameters, default constructors are possible. So the answer is all of the above. What is the return data type of constructor? None. In what event will the built-in constructor be provided to the class? All the times. What is the least number of methods? Only one can be used. Hope you have understood the topic of the mock test. So this is the topic how we have to do. So all the very best. Hope you all will do well. Uh, I'll come up with more mock test paper.